special marine warning.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Mamaroneck
We got
Harbor.
special marine
moving
warning,
southeast at
guys.
15 knots.
We got special marine warning.
34 knots or greater and small to medium-sized hail.
Yo, we got a special marine warning.
Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly.
We got a special marine warning. Let's go.
Locations impacted include Hempstead Harbor,
Oh my God.
Rock, East
Special marine warning, baby. Let's go.
Execution Rocks, Cold Spring Harbor, Manhasset Bay, and Mamaroneck Harbor.
Oh my God.
Small boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
Yo, why are you
Wind
not
has
going
34
up?
knots or greater. Small to medium-sized hail,
go.
waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm.
Wow.
Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from
Let's
ungrounded
go.
metal objects.
Wow.
The National Weather Service
Yeah,
in upper
baby,
New York
let's
has
go.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Got special marine
Hoboken County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:50
Oh my God.
p.m.,
I'll leave that.
severe